With the first pick in the 2010 NBA Draft, the Washington Wizards select John Wall from the University of Kentucky.
To her family, it's a tough day for me, and I was really quiet today. So
it was tough. I'm talking to you before the game, and you're never like this.
What do you mean?
She really touched your heart, didn't she? Buck, obviously, John's very emotional, guys. We'll send it back to you.
John Wall.
Since you're running out of time, what do you mean? What do you mean? Better make up your mind, what do you mean? You're so indecisive, what I'm saying. Trying to catch the beat, make up your heart. Don't know if you're happy or complaining. Don't want for us to win, where do I start? First you wanna go to the left, then you wanna turn right. Wanna argue all day, making love all night.